everyone, ELYVIRA'S back. We're going to make some summertime potato salad. I've showed you a recipe in the wintertime I use for potato salad, and I use celery. Well, this one's a little different, and I don't use celery on this one. All we're going to use is potatoes, 9 eggs, and an onion. And we're going to use 10 tablespoons of Miracle Whip, seasoned salt and pepper, and Hungarian paprika for the garnish. That's it. It's real easy and it's yummy. It's just a different version. Let me grab that. Hungarian paprika. And this is what you can find it at any basically Kroger store. Usually, not all the time, but sometimes I do. Sometimes it is hard to find. So, let's get started. Let me wash my hands. And we'll get chopping here. I already boiled the eggs and the eggs and the potatoes. So, and then just leave them cool and then, peel them. Everybody knows how to boil egg. Everybody knows how to boil potatoes. So, we're going to start chopping away. Hope everybody is having a blessed Sunday. And this is one that I use for when I go to like 4th of July and stuff, because it's like I can eat it. And I pretty much know. And my potato salad's always a hit at any party. I'm always asked to make it because it's my dad's recipe. My dad would be proud of me. I miss him every day. The holidays get to me sometimes, but I survive. Yeah. My dad and I used to enjoy cooking, but boy, we could fight in the kitchen though. He'd tell me if it wasn't right, and I would get mad, and I look back now and I'm thinking, oh, it's amazing, excuse me. What I learned from him and everything, it's pretty wild. Who would ever be thinking that I'd be doing my own show here, showing everybody how to eat healthy and gain the weight that I gained that I never gained in my life, that I'd never been that heavy. So, yeah. You want to chop, And I got one more vegetable salad because this is what I'm going to eat all week. I'm not going to eat anything with meat. The heat got to me this week, and then I ate something with a friend. He says, oh, try this. And I'm going to buy, and I got sick over it, and I haven't felt right since, and it's like, nah, not doing that. Second, when it's very, very hot out, I have a hard time eating. Now that I'm really tiny, it's totally a different ballgame. So, and when I'm up at the lake this weekend, I'll probably run a breakfast video. I did loaded eggs yesterday. That did pretty good. They turned out really good. I'm going to make breakfast this week. I'll figure it out. But right now, let's concentrate on our summertime potato salad so we can have some fun. And then you could go to 4th of July with this and take it, and you can eat healthy. And I do have one with celery, but I don't think I did a video on that one because I've done a lot of macaroni salad. Yeah, I enjoy it. Cooking to me is just like an art because I can't draw. But I think also it's a way to express love. It's a way to just enjoy yourself. And it relaxes me. Cooking actually relaxes me. I could have a terrible day and I'll just make a cooking, come up with a recipe. And that's what I do. I left early this morning because I knew I wanted to get home, and I had my new car worked on for warranty work, and I got that done, and the last few weeks I've just been running. So I'm trying to eat healthy, and I've maintained good, but I really got to get this 38 pounds off. And my trainer and I talked the other day, and we're really concentrating on that. We got new workouts. I start with Andrew this week. I told him the other day, I said, I need to work out with you a couple days anyways, just to irritate you. I'm glad I got the trainers. I mean, it's going to be a little more money, but to me, I don't do anything. I really don't go out. I pretty much just work and work out. And I go to my lake house, and I've been looking for another house, and, you know, up there, so I have a bigger kitchen. So when I am up there, I could do cooking videos and show you what I do. I do know this weekend I am going out with friends to a restaurant, to a Mexican restaurant, and I'll show you how I eat when I'm out. So that I will show you how to do. And it can be done. It took me a while to learn. So, and we just keep chopping away. Okay. Wash my hands here. Okay. Just chop, chop, chop. That's all we're doing. Boy, is that onion strong. Enough to knock you down. It's in there. Don't want that onion. Ooh. Oh, I hate onion. Ooh. It is one strong onion. Okay. So, about 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt. We're not going to use any sea salt or anything. It's just seasoned salt. About 2 tablespoons. Shake, shake, shake. 2 tablespoons of pepper. Shake, 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 shake. And just a little. This here, you just a dash, because you just wanted to make it look like you used mustard, but you didn't. Then, Miracle Whip. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Wash my hands. But yeah, this week is just going to be a soup and salad kind of week, and I did a lot of that last year when I was obese, and it was a way to, it was really a way to keep me healthy, but it was also a way too that I could eat, you know, and I was losing weight. And mix this up here, show you what it looks like. And it makes 8 servings, and it's 283 calories for half a cup. And it's looking mighty good. And The reason I didn't put the celery is because I didn't have any, because I didn't go to the store today. So sometimes I'll take stuff out of the kitchen and show you guys how to make something healthy. And guess what? You can use what's in your kitchen. It's not like you have to go get that celery. Yes, I make it with celery. Other times I don't. And you know what? You don't need to. And this is what I was showing you right here. And right here. See? There you go. It looks like that. Now, we'll put it in a bowl, and you just chill it and serve it. How easy is that? And let me pull one of my bowls here. Okay. Put this in the bowl. Okay. And we garnish it. This is what we garnish it with. And I pretty much know, let's taste it. See, I know I don't need to mix anything else with it. Perfect. Very, very good. Tastes just like Dad made it. Just like my dad made it. Very, very good. And I'll show you what it looks like. There you go, guys. There you go, everyone. How cool. There you have it, summertime potato salad. Be back in a little bit with a vegetarian salad. Everybody have a blessed afternoon still. See you in a bit. Bye.